First, power on your camera. Press the menu button. Then navigate to the fourth tab, which is the network settings icon. Once in the network settings, select Wi-Fi. NFC. A new screen will appear. Choose to enable the Wi-Fi function. Now, to control your camera remotely or transfer images, you'll need to connect it to a smartphone or tablet. On the Wi-Fi function screen, select Connect to Smartphone. Your camera will then give you an option to add a device. Select Add a Device. The camera will now display network information, including a network name and a password or QR code. Take note of this information. On your smartphone or tablet, go to your Wi-Fi settings and select the network name displayed on your camera. Enter the password when prompted. Now, open the Canon Camera Connect app on your mobile device. If you don't have it, download it from your app store. The app should automatically detect your camera. Tap on the camera model to establish the connection. Once connected, you can browse images on your camera, transfer them to your phone, or use your phone as a remote control for shooting. To transfer images, simply select the images you want within the app and tap the Save or Download icon for remote control. Switch to the Remote Live View shooting mode within the app. And there you have it. You're now ready to fully utilize the Wi-Fi features on your Canon Eos 5D Mark IV, expanding your creative possibilities and workflow efficiency.